In this training series, we're going to learn how to pair the Proflame SIT remote control. If you have a black one, a silver one, or a rectangle SIT remote control, they all work with the same app. So we're now in the home zone screen, so let's click on the zone. We are now in the Add Device section of the app. On the top right hand corner, press the plus button to add your remote control. The app will search for the remote control. As you can see, we have a few Bluetooth names here. Once you've selected your correct Bluetooth control name, which is usually listed on the back of the remote control, you can now choose what type of fireplace you have. Let's name it. You have the option of putting a serial number in and the company purchase from. Once you've listed and correctly entered all the names, press connect. The app will find the actual remote control, which we've seen here, named living room. So let's click on it. The app will connect to the remote control and you're now ready to use it. We can turn off the fire by pressing the power button. Once the power button's pressed, the remote control will turn the fireplace off. We can also turn the fire back on by pressing the power button. As you can see, it performs a command and now your fireplace is on. You now have the option of changing the flame height, the fan level, the light level if you have LED lights attached, change the thermo modes. As you can see, we're currently on thermostat on. And also you can go to settings and remove the icons if you don't want to have all the icons listed, or you only have certain features on your fireplace. So if we remove the auxiliary and the split flow burner, as you can see, it will only show 3 icons. So that's it. Now you can control your fireplace from your app. Thanks for watching.